In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily delete Instagram messages from both sides. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin, and first off, open up Instagram app. Then get into your DMs and then just open up some conversation in which you want to delete messages. As you can see right here, I got 2 sent messages, and let me show you how you can easily delete messages from both sides. So guys, all you have to do is just hold down on that message until these options comes up, and then just hit at unsend. As you can see, I have just unsent this message. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial, and also I recommend you to check out my Instagram tutorials playlist, which you can easily find in the description. Hit the like button if you liked that video, and see you in the next one.